Find or read reviews that people are talking about GEARLASSO 12V 24V car battery charger heavy duty. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Heavy duty battery charger. This smart battery charger features a durable metal outer frame combined with a high-strength ABS plastic housing, offering both protection and portability. Weighing 13.2 pounds, it's built to withstand tough garage conditions while remaining easy to handle. Compatible with all 12V and 24V lead-acid batteries AGM, GEL, wet, flooded, EFB, calcium, MF, and deep cycle. Cable length, AC 6.6 feet, DC 4 feet. Smart dual mode charging, fast or trickle. Automatically detects 12V or 24V batteries and adjusts charging accordingly. With a 0 to 15 amp output and support for up to 400 amp-hour, this charger offers both rapid charging to revive dead batteries and trickle mode to maintain long-term battery health. Just connect it and let it do the work. Automatic shut-off and battery maintenance. Auto shut-off mode stops charging automatically once the battery is full, no risk of overcharging. Maintain mode uses a pulse current to help restore and extend the life of drained, sulfated, or stratified batteries. Winter/all-weather mode. In cold weather, the winter mode delivers a complete charge to ensure a strong engine start. The all-weather mode is designed to provide reliable charging performance in any climate, adapting to temperature changes for consistent battery care. The easy-to-read LCD display shows charging percentage, current, and voltage for precise, safe, and efficient charging all year round. Repair mode. The repair mode is specially designed to revive dead batteries, above 3V. It helps restore battery life and get your vehicles back on the road. If a battery does not charge normally, repair mode can assist in recovery. Note, it cannot revive severely depleted batteries. Safety protections. This unit operates with a pulse-based charging system and is equipped with multiple safety features, including protection against reverse polarity, short circuit, overcharge, overheating, overvoltage, and overcurrent. A built-in cooling fan helps prevent overheating, while spark-free connections ensure safe handling. These features guarantee a secure and efficient charging process that protects your battery and vehicle. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.